For each door we open for a buyer or seller, we hope that we're changing somebody's life for the better.
So the big question is, what are top agents doing to absolutely crush it in real estate, grow their teams and add more transactions year over year while so many struggle? To get the answers, we interview top real estate agents to learn their secrets to success. Listen, we believe every agent should make a minimum of $100,000 per year, and we're on a mission to make this happen. We've already helped over 100 agents achieve this with our coaching. So if you want to fast track your business growth, get to your first $100,000 in GCI or add another $100,000 in GCI using social strategies, then head over to go.eliteagentsecrets.com, or you can just click the link in the description below. Also, just make sure to follow us, hit that subscribe button, and if you get any value from this at all, please tell a friend and leave us a review. My name is Andrew Dunn.
And my name is Peter Michael. Welcome to Elite Agent Secrets.
Speaking about relationships and things, which would move us, I think, quite nicely onto the third topic, which is something that we've never spoken about on the show. So we're like nearly 200 episodes, or we're 200 plus episodes in, Beth, and I think this is amazing, actually. So you've given away, we said this in your introduction, you've given away over $230,000, nearly $250,000 of your income in commission to your local community. And your third topic is about giving back to your local community. So tell us a little bit more about that. What's compelled you to do that?
Well, I was raised by parents who believed in giving back. My parents were small business owners in Maryland. They actually owned a liquor store in Maryland. And my dad, they didn't make a lot of money, but they were always the ones sponsoring the softball team, the baseball team, any organization that walked in the door, they sponsored. They later got really involved in the Lions Club and different organizations. But anyway, they raised me with that. My dad always said, do good. Oh, and that was his motto, do good because it's the right thing to do. So I knew when I got into this business that was going to be something, a byproduct of my success. So I started it, I think back in 2013, I started giving away money for each transaction. And I actually, at that time, let the client choose the nonprofit, and I sent the check over in their name. But then I quickly realized that sometimes some charities may not align with your personal philosophy or values. And I wasn't comfortable with my money going to certain things. So I then created I decided I was going to choose 4 charities. One is Make-A-Wish, hits children. One is our Richmond League, which touches on pets. The Virginia Veteran Services Foundation, which hits veterans. And then the last is Feed More, which is a big local food bank in the Richmond area. So I figured that will hit anybody's heart, one of those. So the client gets to choose which of those 4 will be earmarked for the contribution that I'll make from their transaction. So again, I've been doing it since 2013 and have given out over 230,000.
That's an amazing thing to have done. I mean, I'm pets all day long, so if I'm buying a house with you, it's going to the dogs. It's just the way. The way it's going.
have to tell you, I give my husband credit because that's a big chunk of our money that he has supported me in giving to the local community. I cannot track a single transaction that I have earned by doing this. I mean, I can't say, oh, I got this many transactions because I give this money away. I don't have a single transaction that I can attach to this. And that's certainly not why we do it. It's because it's like my dad said, do good. It's the right thing to do. So that's why these organizations rely on me. Like if they haven't gotten my check, they call me. Are you okay? Is there anything going on? What can we do? We'll send you the envelope. Do you need a stamp? I mean, they reach out to me if they haven't gotten my check. And it's not just me. My whole team. My buyer's agent is big into pet rescue. My marketing director, he works with Make-A-Wish. I mean, everybody on my team is committed and to this philosophy of giving back. And in fact, my byline for my business, it's the pretty team. opening doors, changing lives. So for each door we open for a buyer or seller, we hope that we're changing somebody's life for the better.
Amazing. It's amazing. I feel like I don't have anything else to say apart from like it's such a commendable thing, and it's an amazing thing to want to do for a community. I like again. I think it is Make-A-Wish that they tend to do They also do amazing stuff with if someone wants to meet a celebrity, that's Make-A-Wish as well, isn't it?
Yes.
Where they get them to meet them and things, and we all see those videos and stuff, and it's really, really touching. So I think it's an amazing thing to want to do with your money. And I like the fact that you also said, I've not tracked a single transaction from it, because it's just not, I guarantee you've had some, you just will have, because it's just hard to avoid it. But it's like, well, I don't care if I have or I haven't. It makes no difference to me because I'm not doing it for it. It's just I'm doing it to put good back into the world, which is phenomenal. So what I want to do is I want to now give you the floor, Beth. So if people want to reach out to you, whether you're growing a team, whether you're buying or selling a home, whether you've got other stuff going on, what would be the best place if people want to get in touch, whether it's phone, email, social media, or a website? The floor is yours. How can people reach out?
Well, we cover the whole Richmond metro area, and we would love to do a referral with you. It is the best way probably is our website. That's easy to remember. It's theprettyteam.com, and it is PRETTY. So theprettyteam.com. You'll get my email and phone number from there. And if I could just put a plug in for maybe some future podcasts for you guys, another one of my passion is to help realtors have a retirement. I see so many realtors who cannot retire because they didn't plan for a retirement. Yep. And they financially can't do it. And so I'm very passionate about that and helping realtors identify passive income so that they can actually have a life by design and retire and live the dream. So absolutely.
We're massive into that too. Yeah, we're that's what we're big into too. So we've built our real estate business we've started with the future in mind. We didn't start with today. We started with 15 years from now. Where do we want to be? And we built it backwards. Amazing. Beth, it's been a phenomenal show. Everyone, we hope you've enjoyed listening to Beth as much as we have having this conversation. Beth, thank you once again for sharing your story with us and your secrets. And everyone, we will see you in the next one. Oh, and by the way, would you consider yourself a maverick? Are you an agent, team leader, broker owner who is constantly striving to push boundaries and smash goals? Well, we've already helped over 100 agents go over $100,000 per year in GCI. So if you're interested in learning more about our courses and coaching to help you scale your business, then head over to go.eliteagentsecrets.com.